The fingerprint mentioned in the Quran. What if I told you that the Quran mentions something incredibly specific about the human body, something that would become scientifically important centuries later? Think about your fingertips. Every person has unique patterns of tiny ridges on their fingers. Today, fingerprints are used around the world for identification because these patterns are highly distinctive. But here's what's fascinating. The Quran specifically mentions the fingertips. Quran 75-34 says, "Does man think that we will not assemble his bones? Yes, indeed. We are able even to restore his fingertips." Just pause there. Why mention the fingertips? The main subject of these verses is resurrection. Allah is answering the person who doubts that human beings can be brought back after death. And the verse emphasizes that Allah is capable of restoring even the fingertips. Today, we know that fingerprints are highly distinctive and can be used to identify individuals. Modern fingerprint identification developed long after the Quran was revealed. The Quran, however, was revealed around 1400 years ago. Think about how remarkable that is. A tiny detail that most people would never stop to think about. The patterns on our fingertips is something we now use as a form of identification. But there's an even deeper message here. The verse isn't simply telling us something about fingerprints. It's talking about resurrection. Imagine someone saying, "How could Allah bring me back after my body has returned to the earth?" The Quran answers by reminding us that Allah is able to recreate even the smallest details of a human being. If Allah created you from nothing, why would recreating you be impossible for Him? Look at your own hands. Those tiny patterns on your fingertips are part of what makes your physical identity unique. No matter how ordinary they seem, they are a reminder of how detailed creation is, and the Quran directs our attention toward them while speaking about the day of resurrection. So next time you look at your fingertips, don't just see your hands. Remember the one who created them, and remember that your life isn't meaningless. There will be a day when every person returns to Allah. If you're genuinely curious about Islam, don't simply take my word for it. Open the Quran, read it yourself, ask questions, investigate. Because sometimes one small verse can make you stop, think, and start searching for something much bigger. This is episode 4 of our Quran and Science series. Don't just scroll past. Take a moment, look at your hands, and think about the signs of Allah around you.
كل نفس ذائقة الموت كل نفس ذائقة الموت ثم إلينا ترجعون